All right, and welcome, my friend, to another drawing tutorial session, how to draw a caricature with Rouser. Thank you for tuning back in. That means you must have subscribed if you're back. Let's go ahead and get started, okay? I'm going to show you how to draw this picture. You got all time for my jokes. All right, so if I'm drawing this picture, how I would start is very simple. All right, what do I want to get in the picture first? Well, I want that, you know what? I'll tell you what I want. I'm gonna do this hat real quick. I'm gonna do something like this. Show you how to draw this hat real quick. Okay. Remember, everything is drawn in 1D before 3D. Now, I don't have enough space on my paper because I'm using a small piece of paper, but that's just kind of how you would do it. But other than that, once you get to the top, you'll just kind of do like an arcing shape right there. It's really easy. All right, now from here, this is what we'll do. We'll go ahead and we'll draw our features. So we want to go ahead and do what expression it is. So look, expression. You want to draw an expression first, right? Look at my expression. Look. Okay. First, see the expression? Once I have I don't want features because I need framework first. And the wrong thing to do is to start with the feature without any direction of where to put that feature at. All right. So starting a business, you don't know anything about starting. It doesn't make sense, right? So here, now we have this, we can go ahead and we can put, watch this right here, and we can put our little glasses, right? All right. Now his glasses, actually, I put those a little bit higher than they should have been, but it still doesn't matter. I'm not going to lose the likeness of the picture. I still can, can't get upset about little stuff like that. Really doesn't matter. Watch. I can come over here. I'll draw my mustache, right? Right. Okay, because the object is to get something that looks like him. All right. Even though I would like to have had him looking over the top of the glasses, I think that's cool. All right. Now let's go ahead and add some. He's a little bit at a 3/4 view. So what I can do here, I'll add some hair on this side of the face, and really none on the other side, just to sneak it in there. Now let's draw our ear shapes, and we'll come back to the eyes and all that stuff in a minute. I like to skip around a lot. Okay. And then we'll come over here and we'll connect this here to the glasses. And let's draw this other ear shape here. Okay. And then from here, we don't want this to be too full. So I'm going to just come straight down here like that. Okay. And now let's add our neck shape, because he should have, I'm going to have a thin neck here. And then once you get down here, you can put your features or whatever have you. If you start with the expression first, it makes the whole picture so much easier. Okay, now let's go ahead and work on those eyes. So what about the eye shape browser? Well, what about it? All we have to do is this here. Now we can, right? See? We can add it in there. Even though he's looking through the glasses and not over them, I still was able to get a really good likeness. So you don't have to start over for reasons like that. Just make it work. It's not tied to the likeness of the person. Now up here, you might want to, if you want to make your glasses 3D, you might draw some circles to the side, right? And you can see that when you draw your circles to the side, you got all this space over here. Maybe you can shade it in a little bit on one side. It looks like his glasses are kind of going around, and then we'll add a little bit of cartooning there, some dark here, and pretty much we got our picture licked in just under 4 minutes, or right around 4 minutes. I think it was about that. I was telling a joke, so I couldn't tell. All right, so now that we have our drawing down to a science, all we have to do is, if you want to add shade or color, you can use your color markers, color pencils. I'll just do something with the gray here. I might add like a little shadow right here. And see what that does. It just gives the picture a little bit more depth, you know, and that's up to you if you want to do this. You don't have to. I like to use a lot of shapes when I'm drawing versus drawing a lot of lines. Like, in other words, you get a lot of caricature artists that, hold on, let me put this line here too, I forgot. Okay, you get a lot of caricature artists that do a lot of this when they're drawing hair, right? Not really necessary for your picture. It takes up a lot of time to do that, and it's really frustrating, and it has nothing to do with what the person looks like. It's really just a matter of taste for the picture. So whether that's right or wrong, I'm not going to get into that in this video, but what I will tell you is that the way that I'm doing it here is the easiest way, especially if you're a beginner. Just make sure you get your expression. Remember, what is the person doing in the picture first? Okay, and you want to be able to draw it this simple so that you can draw a line. You can put your features around this. Okay, this is what makes you look like you, not these exact features. I hope you learned something today. Have a blessed day. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.
Hello there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, you did? Well then, you see that subscribe button below? Push it. And after, push the bell icon next to it and select the all option. Then you will get notifications of all new uploaded videos and when I go live. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and check out these other videos for more cool stuff. Have a great day and happy penciling.